Okay, so this is a mode shifter that is a electronic component that came off of a Hotpoint washing machine. You can see some writing on there. I actually never even noticed there was writing on there. Oh, there's even specs on there. 4.5 watts. Hey, I never even noticed that. There's actual specs on there if you can see it. Okay, so I'm having some mechanical issues with my washer, so I had to take this thing out. Anyway, that's how it works. When the switch, I guess when the switch is open, it's like that, and then when the switch is closed, it lifts the clutch up. That has some, I think it changes the operation of the transmission pulley so that it goes into, I want to say agitate mode. Anyway, I'm not sure. Don't ignore that part. That was my hypothesis, which has not yet been proven. So I'm going to show you how to do a continuity and a resistance test. On this particular, first let's do the continuity. Well, let me show you something else. And when I was first looking at this thing at the wire harness, I was like, because I know that it has a motor and it has a switch, but I wasn't sure at first, like which wires went to what. And then I realized right when I saw under there, when I saw those terminals connected to the spade on that little black box, those red ones are the switch. So we're going to test the switch for continuity. So we can put it like that. Put our multimeter on the continuity test, which is that one right there. And then the continuity test is yay or nay. So if it beeps, this one has a beep on it, then that means it does have continuity and the switch does work. So we're going to put the probes into the red, where the red wires are at. Yep, okay. And now we're going to go ahead and just check the resistance on the black wires on the motor part. The motor is supposed to have resistance in between 5,000 and 6,000 ohms or something like that, but this one is a little bit out of spec. And so to cover the amount of ohms, we're going to put this on 20,000, because 2,000 is too small. So let's set that right here. And we're going to probe the black wires. Kind of hard to do. I'm trying to do it on camera. I'm sorry. 4.61. So see how it's below 5,000. So yeah, I wasn't totally sure if it was working, but from an electrical standpoint, it's not really in spec. Okay, that's all.